Not watch how I have recreated Sonam Kapoor Sangeet look, I will drop the link in description box. Don't forget to check that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Varsha Mehta Official. If you are new here, my name is Varsha and today I'm here with beginner makeup tutorial. This is a requested video and even I'm not going to use any brushes in this tutorial as I get message from some of my viewers that they don't have brushes to do makeup. So it's not that you don't have brushes, you can't do makeup. Even I was not having brushes in my initial stages, so this tutorial will be solution of your problem, and I decided to do this tutorial with the limited and the products which are available and budgeted too. This tutorial will be quick, easy, you can carry it for your everyday life. This makeup tutorial is ideal for the people who beginning to do makeup, and this is very good makeup tutorial for the beginners. Products which I have used in this makeup tutorial are really basic products and affordable too. Before starting the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new here, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get notification from my channel. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Hope this tutorial will be helpful for you guys, and without any delay, let's get started.
I'm using baby lips from Maybelline to moisturize my lip. You can use any lip balm which is available with you, but I love this because it moisturizes my lips for long. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 310 Sun Beige. I have already moisturized my face before using it. I have already taken some amount of foundation on my hand and applying with the help of my finger on my face. I really like this foundation because it is too light and having a great coverage, and at the same time it is just for 450 bucks. After applying my foundation with the help of finger, now I'm going to blend it with the help of beauty blender. As I said initially that in this video I'm going to use very minimum products and affordable, and even I'm not going to use any brushes. You will see that throughout the video that I'm not using so expensive and professional products. I'm just creating this look with the help of the minimum and the available products. To cover my dark circles, I am not using any concealer. I am again repeating the foundation underneath my eyes to cover my dark circles. It's not that if you don't have some products you can't do makeup. If you don't have concealer, you can conceal it by applying another layer where there is requirement of concealing. As I have done in this video, that I have applied the second layer of foundation underneath my eyes to cover my dark circles. It's not that you need expensive products and tools to do makeup, it just need a correct technique and tricks to do it. Now I'm using Clear Glow All-in-One powder cake from Maybelline to set my foundation, and I'm using the sponge in dapping motion. I'm not rubbing it. Please take care of that while applying the powder. I'm using Color Show Cream Matte Lip Color in shade M103 Rock the Coral. If you have seen my rest of the videos, that you know that I always use lipstick as my blusher. So in this video also I'm using lipstick to blush my cheeks. I really love blushing because it really makes me feel fresh and young. Whatever the look may be, but I can't escape this part because I love that. I'm using the nude from Maybelline to do my eye makeup. I'm using darker brown shade for outer corner of my eyes. I'm using finger to do that. I'm not using any kind of brush to do my eye makeup, and this eye makeup will go with each and every look. If you don't get anything to do, you can do this. Now I have taken the dark golden color for inner corner of my eyes and eyeball, and that's it. You have done with your eye makeup. If you don't know much about it, you can opt this idea for your eye makeup. I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Kajal as my liner and kajal both. I'm using this kajal as my liner. As I said that I'm going to use limited products to do my complete makeup. Now I'm using the same Swiss Beauty Kajal as my Kajal and applying it on my waterline. I'm using mascara from Walk Free. I really love this mascara because its bristles are so tiny and really help me to apply mascara well and effortlessly. You can use any mascara with which you are comfortable, but take care that it must be waterproof, otherwise it will ruin your makeup. I'm using ADS Pro Photo Finish Color Crayon in shade L22 Carberry. I always line my lip before applying any lip color because it gives proper definition to my lips. I don't have number of lip colors. I have limited one, but I create new colors from the available one. This is a trick which you can also follow. I'm using Lakme Absolute Matte Made Liquid Lipstick in shade Nude Heat on my lip. Now I'm going to use rose water to fix my makeup. Makeup, this is jewelry time. I have paired a golden earrings with this outfit as it is complementing well with it. I just open my hairs and keep on changing the direction of it to find which direction it's going well. I do this every time when I confuse which side is looking perfect, so please don't mind that. I tried my best to keep this video easy and with a limited product so that the beginner can learn from it and do their makeup easily without putting much efforts. In this way you can achieve perfect makeup without using number of equipments and high branded products.
Hope you guys enjoy watching this video and find this video helpful. I think this is the perfect beginner makeup tutorial which is really very helpful for the people who just started doing makeup. I have kept this video simple and real so that you can learn the things easily and quickly. I just use the limited and the basic products so that you can get them or you have them and you can do your makeup with the available products with not much expensive and number of equipment. I think this video will be perfect for the beginner, and if you have any opinion in relation to this video or any thoughts, you can let me know in comment box. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and share it to your friends and family so they can also learn from this video. And this is the time to wrap this video. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.